Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer everything from old to new Android, and then this time we will be using our Google account backup. So what you're going to do is you have to go to your phone settings, old phone, tap on Google, and then make sure that you have a login, the correct Google account right here. And then this time tap on services. Here you have to scroll down, look for backup and restore, and then tap on backup. So basically, all you need to do here is to make sure that you have turned on backup by Google. This includes your applications, your contacts, SMS, call history, device settings. For photos and videos, make sure Google Photos backup and sync is on. Now, once you have tapped this, all of this, and you can now tap backup now to make sure the latest data is saved. Now you can open your new Android. And then if this is really a new one, then basically you should see the restore and backup. And all you need to do is to log in at that account that you have used from your old phone. But this time, this is not really a new phone. This is just a new device that I'm going to transfer my data, application, and so on. I just have to log in that Google account that I have logged in from my old phone to this new phone. So I'm going to log in, and then basically, if I'm going to install the applications that I have from that old phone to my new phone and then log in using this Google account, then I can basically restore all of the data that has stored there. It could be contacts, friends, photos, videos, everything. So this is just one of the ways on how to transfer everything from old to new Android. So if you want to move everything from your old Android to a new one, you can use your Google account as your backup. Once you have done the backup from store, then you can now open an application and then log in your account and see if you have turned on the backup and sync. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.